Welcome, everybody.
Hello. Welcome.
Hi, Tara. Hey, Rick. Karen's connecting. We've got lots of people. Debbie, nice to see you, Debbie. Sue, Elaine,
Sue.
Esther, Angela, Susan. All right, so good to see everybody today.
So let's do the test. I'm always scared. I'll do this here. Can you see? They don't slide out. Okay.
Brava.
Again. Should I do this again? Okay, I'll do this here. No. Wow, that's good.
Okay, well,
They don't slide.
let's do a quick check-in with our members. And how are everybody's? I'll let Bernie wants to show off.
Ciao, Bernie. Oh, wow.
Perfecto.
Okay, okay, the mic is on. Yeah, no, we made it.
You made it.
You did.
Yeah.
Is this your first time? Is this your first time you are testing? This
Like
way.
this, yes. Melba's very nervous right now.
Yeah. Are you nervous? Were you nervous?
Yes.
Good job. Fantastic.
Let's see if anybody else. Does anybody want a check-in or a troubleshoot? Let's see, Karen.
Oh,
yeah.
wow, Karen, very stiff. Wow, like pigs. Yeah, wow, she's doing the whisk and the ball. Wow,
Fun.
that's fantastic. Amazing. I just want to say thank you everyone for playing with us in the kitchen. It's always such a pleasure to see all of you. Yeah.
Thank you. Ciao, everybody.
Ciao, ciao, grazie